Alright viewers, sorry for the lack of videos, but today it's time for a computer upgrade. So we're gonna get this thing right here, we're gonna upgrade it so you guys can get some more videos out. But I've been really sorry for the lack of videos, guys. So I actually got some new parts today, so from a friend, and yeah, I guess it's time to build a new computer now, isn't it? So the videos, you know, haven't been going out, I guess, on YouTube. So I decided I'd make this kind of to explain myself and maybe keep you guys up with what's going on. If you guys haven't followed me on Facebook or Twitter, that's where amazing happens. But seriously, guys, it's time for a computer upgrade, so let me know what you guys think, because I am ready for some nice computer. I still have my monitor, I still have my other monitor. That Razer mouse, I got this Razer mouse the other day. Don't judge the animals. So I got this Razer mouse the other day. Well, it wasn't like another day, it was quite a while ago, but it looks pretty nice. And of course, my Turtle Beaches right here that I use, that's where amazing also happens. And then the laptop. Got the laptop going on right there. And we've got the controller. Alright, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And let me know how your guys' day and week has been going. Later.